hat? Put your hat on. Put your hat on. Brandon, be careful. He poked her in the eye with the antenna. Keo, you got a new hat? Keo. Wow. Keo. Hey, Keo. Keo, you got a new hat on? Put your hat on. Put it on. Ooh, wow. Put your hat on. Wow. Hey, Keo. Put it down. Hurry up. What are you guys doing? Talking? Just to keep Brent occupied all day.
I've never had one of those in the house.
I don't know.
Never got to
Jeff, don't touch. Hey, look what Grandma got. Grandma got this a photo. It's on a T-shirt. It's a printed of our original photo onto a T-shirt. It says, "We love Grandma." Woo, we love Grandma. That's cute. There's Brandon, Jet, Angelina, and Keo. Woo! Cute, huh? Look at all these stuffed animals. Cool T-shirt, Grandma. Good job. Oh, nice. Wow. You're a genius. Freddie brought the lamp here. Oh, look at this cool T-shirt, guys. Woo! We love Grandma. We sure do love Grandma.
We love Grandma.
That's cute. I like that. Nice. Woohoo.
When is it open? Because there's wedding here like every day, at least 3, or even or reception. Yeah, my gosh, it's insane. I get married on like a Tuesday. I have to get married on like a Tuesday.
Oh, it's sweaty, gross.
And they have this photograph.
It's like 20 miles, Mama.
Good.
20 miles.
Cool. Oh no, look at Brandon. He's having fun.
Let's go by the water.
Yeah.
Cool off. Over here.
Get one! You having fun, Brandon? Before we use the move, Dad? Well, look, watch out, Brandon. Don't go in there. Stay down. You're gonna fall right in.
Oh, wait, go, wait. Dick.
It's Jet.
Careful, guys.
Alright. Yeah.
Oh, thank you! Woo!
Jump in.
It feels so good!
Wow.
Slippery.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Me
Oh,
too.
you. No, yeah.
Water.
Yeah.
Water.
It's here.
Yay.
Theo! Stay up here.
Yeah.
Alright, 3 hours, 28 minutes, 36 miles, 0.48. Jenny average 10.4 miles per hour, max 20.4. Alright, hold on. Three hours 23 minutes 36 seconds, 35.79 miles. Average 10.5 miles an hour, max 21.8. While trailing 2 kids. What's the date?
It's the 16th.
July 16th.
Hello, you made it. 36 and a half miles it was
Yeah.
for 3.5 hours of real biking from Evanston, Illinois to Glencoe City, Illinois. So it was a lot of fun today. Long day, been out all day. Hey kids, say hi.
So you dragged the kids for about 12 miles?
About there.
Yeah.
Say hi
Cool.
to the kids. Hello. Here, let's open this up and show them. Woo! Look at these kids.
Yay.
They're all day today. Yeah, they're ready to go.
What do you mean?
Okay, this is top. Double check that flag.
Going for a 36-mile bike ride today. Okay, right here, I'm gonna reset it. 2:55 p.m. Overall 374.9 miles.